It is December the 27th of 2022. It's a Tuesday, and we'll be talking about the room that we had on Enchanted Princess, and that's coming up right after this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Traveling with Justin. I am Justin, and today we'll be talking about the room we stayed in while we were on the Enchanted Princess for the New England cruise back in September of 2022. And here is a diagram of the room. So yeah, you come in, you go to your left, there's the closet, the bathroom, then you come out and there's the bed and TVs and basically the whole room. All right, so let's throw it over to the cruise Justin, and he will take it from here. Right there. It's Justin here, and we are staying in Dolphin deck 537. Here's the medallion. This right here will unlock the door. I propped it open so we didn't have to worry. All right, and so if we come in, immediately to our left, we have a bathroom. It's a rather small bathroom, not as big as the Regal's was. And we got the garbage can down there. A pretty good sized shower. It's got the adjustable shower head and everything like that. A nice mirror. So if you come right here, we got a thing full of shelves, and there's the safe. And then of course we have storage up above, our life vest. We got plenty of stuff for our hangers and our clothes. And right here is a mirror. So if we walk into here, here's the main room. We got a queen size bed. Could be a king. I'm not 100% sure. There's some art right there. And then there's the TV. We have a little tiny desk right here. And there is the mini fridge. Here's my water. Look, there's a mirror. And then this is the other side. So right here, we've got some plugs. And then we got an American plug, we got Europe plugs. Actually, I have adapters for those. Then here's another American plug. The light operates that. And then we have a balcony. Our balcony is a little bit extra big. There's our balcony. And then, oh, look at that. That is a balcony. That's my in-laws are spread over there. So we just had them open up the balcony for us. And so yeah, that is the room tour here on Enchanted Princess for our New England cruise. All right, so we're gonna start with some pictures as well of the room. So here is the bathroom. It's got a pretty good sized sink, as you can see from these pictures. And the shower is okay. I mean, yeah, you can see the faucet right there. We saw that in the video. I thought I would throw some pictures up in here. Here's the closet area with the safe. So it is like normal princess rooms with balconies. Here's the bed. That is an extra blanket. My wife asked for an extra blanket because she got cold. Here's the mini fridge right down there. And this is just like a little table that they had over there. There's my wife relaxing, looking out at the ocean with her feet up. Yeah, she really likes the balconies. So here is the little desk. Yeah, he's got some clothes on it, but you can see that it's a good sized desk. Now, so here is an American plug right there. It is next to the phone line. And then here's another American plug on the right. And then there's the rest of the plugs that they have standard on here. And they have USB in the lamp. It comes in nice when you're wanting to charge like your iPad or your cell phone. Here's another look from the balcony into the room. You can see they got some art right there. Okay, so the balcony, this is the picture of the balcony. We had the balcony open between the two rooms, and it made it for a pretty big size balcony. This is the balcony looking where we stayed at, and it was pretty nice. And of course, they provided some distilled water for me for my sleep apnea machine. It was nice. All right, and that is the end of our room tour. It's probably about as big as the Manhattan hotel we stayed in, but hey, it's going to be comfortable. We're on a ship. All right, and until the next video, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.